I know it's very confusing for patients when they first get a diagnosis of melanoma, because on the one end, you think of it as just a skin tumor that potentially, if you remove the skin, you can potentially be cured. But the problem is that unless you've done the surveillance and know whether these tumors have gone beyond the skin, you can potentially end up with a recurrence.
After the surgeon does his or her thing and they remove the tumor, clinically it's gone. But we all know that melanoma, depending on how thick it is and how many different qualities it has, can have a very high risk of relapse even after the surgeon takes it out. So adjuvant therapy is what we add after surgery to decrease the chance that that tumor will return or relapse. And I think most people would, if they had a reasonable thing they could do that would cut that risk in half, which is basically the risk reduction with our therapies, the adjuvant therapies, they would do the adjuvant therapies.
So once you've undergone your first set of treatment options and have undergone this surgery, potentially followed by adjuvant therapy, you will have the discussion with your doctor, hopefully, in which they'll say, as far as we know, we have cleared the tumor. And now the question becomes your follow-up. And in fact, if you have had a deeper involvement of the tumor or metastasis, you do need to see your doctor a lot more frequently. Self-care after cancer is just as important as therapeutic care or medical care. What does self-care mean? That means you managing yourself, your psyche, your well-being in the best way possible. And that could be through nutrition, through meditation, through a regular sort of surveillance of yourself as a person. And I think what we're learning is that it's not just medical and it's not just therapeutic, going to the hospital and going to the doctor, and it's not just, trying to be healthy in your lifestyle. But bringing these two elements together for the first time, and we're learning more and more, has a huge impact on your well-being.